Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to discuss about system of forces and how they are classified and example of each type of system of forces. If several forces acting on a body, then they are called a force system or a system of forces. A force system can be classified into two categories: coplanar forces, non-coplanar forces. Coplanar forces further classified into four categories: collinear force system, concurrent force system, parallel force system, non-concurrent non-parallel force system. Similarly, non-coplanar force system further classified into three categories: concurrent force system, parallel force system, non-concurrent non-parallel force system. Coplanar forces are the forces whose lines of action lie on the same plane. This coplanar force system can also be called as two-dimensional force system. A two-dimensional entity is generally known as a plane. Non-coplanar forces are the forces whose lines of action not lie on the same plane. That means they lie on the three-dimensional space. Hence, they also called as spatial force system or three-dimensional force system. Collinear forces are those forces whose lines of action pass through a common line. Here, the line of action of the force F1 and F2 lies on the same line. Hence, these two forces are collinear forces. Concurrent forces. Concurrent forces are those forces whose lines of action pass through a common point. Here, the line of action of all the five forces meet at a single point or common point. Hence, these forces are concurrent forces. Parallel forces. Parallel forces are those forces whose lines of action are parallel to each other. They are parallel to each other. Here, the line of action of the forces F1 and F2 and F3 are parallel to each other. Hence, they are known as parallel forces. Non-concurrent non-parallel forces are also known as general system of forces. If several forces acting in a plane are such that they do not intersect in a point or not parallel, then they represent a general system of forces, which means these four systems there is no common intersecting point and the line of action of all the forces are not parallel. Here, the force F1 and F2 are parallel forces. When you consider all the three forces, they are non-parallel. Similarly, the force F2 and F3 meet at this point, and F1 and F3 meet at this point, but there is no common intersection point all these three forces. Hence, this system forms non-concurrent non-parallel forces. This non-concurrent non-parallel forces also known as general system of forces. These are the other examples of non-concurrent non-parallel forces. Thank you.